My dear students, this lecture is for class 11th students. Today I will teach number system. Before going ahead, I will explain you some moral statements. For example, practice makes a man perfect. This statement says that if any student revise the topics, revise the syllabus within a time interval again and again, definitely he would be able to learn. Second, success comes after doing hard work honestly. Be careful. Hard work is not enough. Hard work honestly in positive direction is the key point to achieve the success. Now let us start our topic number system. See, first of all, I would like to tell you the definition of number system. What is number system? How will you define the number system? A number system is a systematic approach that uses certain distinct symbols. You can say these symbols as digit to represent numbers. It means it is a systematic approach to represent the numbers with the help of certain fixed symbols, or we can say certain fixed digits. I bring this definition for you from after reading the several books, and after conclusion I collect this statement for you. So do not afraid, do not search this statement as same given here in any other books. It is a collection of combination of concepts of several books. Now let us see. Every number has some fixed base. I mean every number system has some fixed base. What do you mean by the base? Actually, base represents the number of distinct symbols that is used to construct or to make the numbers in number system. Thus, it is also known as the a system of base R. Now, see another feature of number system. Any number system generally has two parts. First, integer part, and second, fractional part. I hope you know it very well. Now let us see in detail what is the base of a number system. I mean base of any number system. Every number system has some certain base. So base is very important with reference to the number system. Number of digits that is used to represent the numbers is known as base of that number system. In another words, we can say the base of number system decides the number of distinct digits which is used to represent the numbers. Example, let us take few examples. In decimal number system, we uses 10 digits. In decimal number system, we uses 10 different digits, and the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since decimal number system uses 10 distinct symbols, distinct digits, different digits. So base of this number system is 10. Now let us see binary number system. The base of binary number system is 2 because it uses only two distinct symbols, that is 0 and 1. Thus I hope the base of number system is very clear to you. Now let us see the classification of number system. A number system can be classified into two parts. First is the positional number system and second is the non-positional number system. I mean weighted number system and non-weighted number system. Now I will explain as per your syllabus. We will study here the weighted or positional number system. There are four number systems used in numbering or counting, and these four number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number systems. All these number systems are positional or weighted number system. Here I will teach you the definition of these number systems, methods to convert the numbers from one number system into another number system. Let us see decimal number system. The base of decimal number system is 10 because it uses 10 different symbols that is given here. The example of decimal number system is this number 3974.75. This number has the integral and fractional part both. 3974 is the integral part and 75 is the fractional part. Now let us see binary number system. Binary number system uses two base. It means it has base 2. Why? Because it uses only two symbols, that is 0 and 1. The example 1011.11. This number uses only two symbols, only 0 and 1. Next, octal. Octal has base 8 because it uses 8 different symbols, and these 8 different symbols that is defined inside the octal number systems are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 8 symbols are decided inside the octal, so it has base 8. The example 3, 5, 6, 7.25. Listen, I mean see carefully. This number has only digits from 0 to 7. If you use any digit beyond these digits, then it would be the illegal in this number system. Now let us see hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system has base 16 and it is also known as alphanumeric because it uses alphabets and numbers both. The defined symbols in the hexadecimal number systems are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. The example of this number system is 3FA 9.56. This is the complete introduction about all these four number system. Now let us see the conversion. Now let us see the conversion rule of conversion of any number of base r into decimal number. I mean any number base r. This formula helps you to convert binary number, octal number, hexadecimal number into the decimal number. The rule for integral part is equivalent decimal number is given by y, then y is equal to a n r की power n minus 1 plus a n minus 1. Do not see like this. Go to the right side. a1 r to the power 0 plus a2 r to the power 1 plus a3 r to the power 2 plus a4 r to the power 3 dot 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 an r raised to the power n minus 1. This is the formula which is used to convert decimal, used to convert binary, octal, hexadecimal numbers into the decimal number system. Here an is the coefficient, I mean a1 a2 dot dot an is the coefficient of the terms, and base is the, and r is the base of the number system. The rule for this rule is for the integral part. Now let us see the rule for fractional part. The for fractional part we start from left side, and equivalent decimal number y is equal to a1 r raised to the power minus 1 plus a2 r raised to the power minus 2 plus a3 r raised to the power minus 3 dot 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 an r raised to the power minus 1, and so on. The significance of the terms is the same as above. Now let us see an example. Convert the binary number 1011 base 2 into the decimal number. Now follow this formula. Here base is the 2 and a0, a1, a2, a3 are these. a1 is 1, a2 is 1, a3 is 0, a4 is 1. Put all these things in the formula, and now let us see this. 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. The value of this term is 1, the value of this term is 2, the value of this term is 0, value of this term is 8. Hence after calculating we see the equivalent decimal number is 11. Now let us see for the fractional part. The fractional part is the 0.101. Formula a1 r raised to the power minus 1 plus a2 r raised to the power minus 2 dot dot dot. Put the value here same. This is the a1, this is the a2, this is the a3. Putting the value here. After calculating, the equivalent decimal number is 0.625.